Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can add a new user to Debian and also how we can add the new user to the admin or the sudo group to give them admin privileges. Now, I'll start by opening the terminal. You can just search for terminal here. Let's just check the version of Debian. We use cat8c OS release. So it's Debian 13. Now to add a new user, we'll use the command sudo add user. I'm gonna call the user Joe. Put in our password. Now we need to enter the password for the user, the new user. Now let's try again. Now you can optionally enter more information like the full name, the user, room number, but this information is optional. Y for yes, and now we have the new user. Now with this command, the user should have their own directory. Okay. Now you can check if they have their own home directory, which should be under /home. I can do list home. We see that we have two home directories. There's the one for the user Eno, which is this user, and then for the user Joe. We can switch to the new user's shell, and the command to do that is by doing su-joe. Then put in the password. Now, as you can see, I'm in Joe's shell, and I can say groups. So right now the user Joe is in these two groups here, so they're not in the sudo group. And if I say sudo who am I, and put the password, it just tells you that Joe is not in the sudo's group. That means they don't have admin privileges. They can't use the command sudo to run any commands. So if I try sudo systemctl status, let's say ssh, you just get this message again because they're not in the sudo. We can exit this account, and let's just repeat the same command I did. Let's just do groups. And you see this user is in the sudo group. That means we can run sudo who am I. It says root. That means I can run commands like sudo systemctl status ssh with no problem. Okay. Now to add the user Joe to the sudo group, the command is sudo usermod -a and then g sudo, that's the name of the group, and then the user is Joe. Okay. Another way we could check, let me clear this. Now another way you can check the groups and see who's assigned to the sudo group, you can look at the groups file itself. You can do cat8c group. You can grab sudo. Let's grab sudo here, and this group sudo has this two users. Okay, so let's switch back to Joe's shell here, and then try sudo who am I, put in a password. Now we're getting root, and we should be able to run sudo systemctl status ssh, and now we are able to run that command. So that's all for this video. That's how you can add a new user and then also add the user to the admin group on a Debian machine. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.